Welcome guys sa Kimchi School. Dinala kami dito nung aming tour guide. Punta kami niyan sa second floor ng building. Nandun yung gawaan ng mga kimbap, kimchi school. Pero hindi kami gagawa ng kimchi dyan. Ang gagawin namin ay kimbap. Yung masarap na rice na may seaweed at sesame oil. Tapos yung seed. Ano nga ba tawag doon sa seed na yun? Sesame seed. Yun. Gagawa kami dyan. At titingnan din natin yung mga iba't ibang flavor ng seaweed. Kasi may mga flavoring din siya. So, we will see. Yan yung seaweed na panlagay sa soup. Usually, ang soup na common sa Korea ay yung seaweed soup. Masarap siya. Yung parang dahon lang siya. Dahon lang yung nakalagay. Tapos sabaw. Pero wala siyang lasa. Wala siya ganung lasa. Pero masarap. O, ito yung dinadry ng mga seaweeds. Ganito yung processing nila. Meron siyang exhibit dyan sa school na yan. Kung paano nila pinapreserve at pinaferment yung seaweeds. Yan, ganyan ginagawa ng mga workers. Yan, nadaanan namin papunta dun sa room. Nandyan. Paano ang process ang ginagawa nila para ma-dry up yung seaweeds. Ayan. Matsatsaga din ng mga Korean sa mga trabaho. Tulad nito. Daming tourist nung time na nandyan kami. Kaya punong-puno at saka sobrang ingay. Daming mga tourists. Grupo-grupo. So eto, naglalagay na to ng olive oil tong machine na to. Tapos after nung na whole process na siya, ilalagay na siya sa lagayan. Tapos for sale, yung mga for sale, yung mga binibenta na seaweeds. Raw seaweed yan. Wala pang olive oil lang yan. Yung processing na yan. Binabasa nila ng olive oil. Ang bilis Ang galing ng processing. Tsaka pantay-pantay. So, andito na tayo sa room. Yan, may mga naka-ready na dyan. Actually, gumawa kami dyan. Gumawa kami ng kimbap. Pero, during the time na gumagawa kami, walang nagbi-video. So, wala akong maipakitang video habang ginagawa namin yun. Kasi lahat kami, yung dalawang kamay namin occupied pareho. So, walang extra kamay na kukuha ng video habang nagpa-process kami. Pero madali lang naman. So, ito na yung finished product namin kasi saglit lang naman yun eh. Ganyan yung ginawa namin na kimbap. Gimbap. Yun. May flavored yun ng ng gulay. Pwede mo lagyan ng meat, ng luncheon meat, ng fruits, yun. Tapos ikakat mo siya ng bite size. So eto, yung ginagawa ni Moni, yan na yung rice ball na may seaweeds. Ang sarap niyan, sobra. Kahit yan lang almusal mo or meal mo sa kung ikay nagugutom, ayos yan. Yang namang nasa cup na yan yung seaweed soup. Yung may sabaw na dahon ng seaweed. Itong nagsasalita, yan yung teacher. Ano siya, Indonesian. Siya yung in charge dyan.
If you want to make a rice bowl with a sweet flight, probably the Filipino rice cannot hindi pwede. Japanese rice.
Vietnam rice. Vietnam rice. Yes.
Isusubusan niya yan.
Why you put your glove? You want to eat something? Why you put your glove first? You should using your glove. Okay.
괜찮아요. Never mind. Later we can wash our hands.
Okay. Now I give you other seasoning is vegetable for you taste other taste. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. You can try.
Kinamay.
Right now, I want to show
Put some seaweeds.
Here's the seaweed soup. If somebody made us some water or something for a drink, you can share with.
Let's eat the seaweed. Pizza mo. Sarap.
Only one fish, not so much. Only one fish become a very much of the soup. Our we don't like this. Okay, only a little bit. Okay, you can eat this seaweed soup. Try seaweed soup. Very masala. Could you look at the package? What is this? Flavor. Guess the flavor. Olive. Olive oil. Olive oil. Okay. Da-da-da. Barbecue. Barbecue. Da-da-da. Corn. 맞아요. Consomme. Consomme. 네. Da-da-da. 맞아요. A little bit spicy one. So we're gonna try those kind of the four very popular, the very popular ones. I want to show us the can cut without scissors, without scissors. Fold it half. Diba? Okay. The other fold it half. Okay. Another. Another. Okay.
Ganyan yung pagtiwa.
Okay, here. When you try to eat, try to remember the flavor. Then you can order if you like. But in this one package, small one, 4 packages. 4 small, include. You understand? Okay. Da-da-da! Olive oil flavor. Right? Try each other. Try. Yung something like a very original flavor ko. You remember when you taste on the downstairs? Remember a little bit salty on the stairs, okay? It's bamboo. Yes. We have 10 flavor in here. Here, can I continue? Mommy. Okay, can you remember? I know what flavor. Barbecue. Olive. Olive. Very good. Ta-da-da! Barbecue. Aya.
Matabang. Yan yung regular. Ito yung ordinary.
Hindi to. Ayun ang pasalamat.
May flavor din pala siya. Ay.
Can I go to the next one? Yeah. Are you ready? Ta-da-da! One. Okay.
Pwede ba iuwi?
Barbecue. Ito yung fish.
Ito. Ano ito? Ito yung fish. Ito. Chocolate. Ito corn chip po. Ito yung chocolate.
Ito yung chocolate.
Ito.
Ito ano?
Ang nawala isa.
Ito yung fish cracker.
Ito patat rin eh. Ito nga fish cracker. Peanut.
Fish cracker.
Ito. Peanut. Full.
Yeah, chocolate.
May bayad.
Ito yata peanut. May bayad siya. Seaweeds pa rin.
Peanut, hot corn, peanuts at chocolate cracker.
So, tinikman natin yung namin kanina. Very flavored yung seaweeds. Ito naman ibang product na binibenta nila. Pero related pa rin sa mga seafoods. Pinatikman lang sa amin. Para if ever na gusto namin bumili, yan, dagdag din yun sa kita nila dyan.
Here, look at it. This one is only at your daily basis. One pack. How many small packets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Diba? Five. Okay, here's the two flavor. One is a chocolate.
Seaweed chocolate. Seaweed and chocolate. Seaweed and
Peanut flavor. Chocolate, peanut. Okay? We try together, ha?
Actually, halos kami lahat yan bumili kasi lahat naman gustong
Corn flavor.
pwedeng pampasalubong kasi ito eh. Pampasalubong sa family, friends, pwedeng panregalo
Very good for fruta.
if you like. Kasi masarap siya. Tsaka kakain ko kasi syempre galing ng Korea, imported.
So the fried one, very light.
Kaya yan, tinutulungan ni Moni yung school na makabenta niya. Kaya pinatikim niya sa amin. Pero actually, bayad namin yan. Kasama yan sa package na inano namin, binayaran eh.
One more. Gusto ayaw.
Gusto!
So, natapos na kami dun sa Gimbap. Dito ako sa may kimchi. Yung mga kimchi na ginagawa ng mga Koreans. Actually, sa Korea, anything na veggies, pwede nilang gawing kimchi. Pero the most common na alam natin dito is yung napa cabbage, yung wombok, or yung pechay bagyo na alam natin. Pero ang tawag sa kanila nun is Chinese cabbage. Napa cabbage. So, Australia naman is wombok. At sa atin ang tawag natin ay pechay bagyo. Yun. Yan ang pinaka-common na kilala natin at nakakain usually. Pero dito sa Korea, mostly, pwedeng gawing kimchi ang lahat ng mga veggies. Merong veggies yung meron dyan. As you can see dito sa pinapakita ko. Yan yung mga gulay. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.